Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.1 and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's see what we've got. And for now let's focus on the settings bar. By using this and going to the left or right, we can change the modes of this camera, so we can pick some of this. We can pick square, panoramic, live bokeh, pro mode, photo, video, slow motion and the time-lapse. So this is a lot. I'm not going to focus on all of this now. I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. And now let me stay on the standard photo mode and let's tap on the screen like that anywhere. As you can see here, by doing this we get access to this square connected with the sun icon. So the square, this is the focusing, and we can focus like that, and when we tap a little bit longer the sun icon we get access to the exposure compensation. So we can make our picture just more bright or dark before we take it. This is how it works here. And now let's have a look how to zoom. We can do it by using two fingers like that. And as you can see we can get closer to the subject and also go back. So this is how to zoom. And let's move to this settings bar. Let me start from the right. When we tap on this we can manage the flash. We can pick the auto flash. We can turn it on every time we take a picture so the camera recognizes when it's needed. And we can also turn it off. Now let's move to the next one button here. This is the camera timer. So here we can change the delay of taking picture. As you can see we can pick 3 or 10 seconds. So let me pick 3 to show you how it works. And now let's take a picture. And as you can see the picture was taken with 3 seconds delay. So this is how it works. For now let me keep this turned off. And let's move to the next one button. And by tapping on this we have an interesting option. We can pick the dual and the shot with the front camera. So the dual looks like that. We have two screens, so the screen is split, and we can manage this like that also. And when we pick this we have the short front camera preview, and the back camera is the longest one here. So this is really cool here in this camera, and this is not popular in all of this. And now let's go to the next one button. Here we can turn on the beauty mode, so we can make our picture just more beautiful and less beautiful. So we can adjust it as we need here. This is useful when we take a portrait and really smooth our picture. So for now let me keep this turned off. And let's go to the next one button. As you can see here we have stickers, so we can add some sticker to our picture. And the next one option here is the motion photo. So this is one of my favorite functions in this camera. Let's keep this turned on. So this should take us the picture and the short video when we take it at the same time. So let me try. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery. So this is the picture, and we have also the motion photo. So we have the short clip, as this is how it looks like. So this is really cool here. And now let's go to this button from the left. When we tap on this we get access to the advanced camera settings. And let me start with HDR support mode here. When we tap on this we can turn on auto HDR, turn it on every time we take a picture, and also turn it off. I suggest you to keep this on auto so the camera recognizes when it's needed, because the HDR helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our picture. This is really useful and really make our picture just more beautiful. And now let's go to this option bar shot. By using this button you can easily turn it off and turn it on. This is also really interesting and not popular in the cameras in smartphones. By using this and keep this turned on we can take a series of pictures by tapping a little bit longer on this button here. So let me try. I have to turn off the motion, so let me keep this turned off because this not support this, and let's try it again. And as you can see here it saves a lot of picture at the same time. So this is the series of picture, and this is how it works. When we tap on this, we can see that it's take a lot of picture at the same time, like that. So this is how it works. So let's go back to the camera and let's go back to these settings here. Now let's move to the next one option. This is the shooter sound. So here we can turn off and turn on the camera sounds, like that. And let's move to the next one, the grid. By using this we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines of this when we take a picture. So let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera. As you can see, it generates us this line. This is helpful when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. So this is really cool here. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so these are only help lines to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to this button, tapping on this option, and for now it's gone. So this is cool here. And let's go to the watermark. By using this button we can turn on and turn off the camera watermark. So let me keep this turned on and let's go back to take a picture. And let's go again to the camera preview here. As you can see, the watermark appears here in the left corner at the bottom with Nokia. So this is how it looks like. We can also turn it off again by going to the settings and tapping on this. So when we take another picture, for now this is turned off and the watermark should not appear at it. And now let's move to this option, location tag. By using this button we can easily turn off and turn on saving location info of our photos. Also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera and take a picture to check the location. So again, let's go to the camera preview here, and when we slide a little bit down we get access to the details and to the location with map. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works here. And we are again in the settings. We can change here also the resolution of the picture. As you can see, when we tap on this we can pick the ratio connected with the quality to the back camera and to the front camera. So now I've picked the back camera. We can pick 4:3 ratio connected with 12, 8 or 5 megapixels. We can pick also 16:9 connected with 9 or 8 megapixels and 18:9 connected with 8 megapixels. So this is how it works. Let me pick 16:9 and let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, the background has changed, so this is the longer one ratio here. And when we go to this again and to this, we can pick also 18:9. So this is the full screen ratio here, and as you can see, again the background has changed. And the same thing we have here to the front camera. We can also pick 3 ratios connected with the quality, so 4:3, 16:9 and 18:9. And the difference is that front camera has the better quality here, so we have more pixels. And after turn it and manage all of these settings, sometimes we want to go back to the auto settings. We can do it by using the last one option here I want to show you. So reset settings. When we tap on this, we can restore camera to its default settings. And okay. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.